So recently I ordered this Mark set off of eBay, so I'm finally unboxing it. Yeah, you know what's happening. I told you in the... You read the title, I know you did. Let's get them up. Pristine, right? From the 50s or 60s. Here's say a Lewis Marks. Open this. Be careful while using sharp blades. It can be dangerous. This is extremely unprofessional unboxing. Okay. Let's first look inside of it. More packaging. Wow. It's missing some of these, like, dividers, but it's fine. Okay, let's start. What we got? Oh, it's warm. Got 027 track. Condition's, like, pretty good. Only 5 pieces of track, though. That's interesting. Oh well. I have... So, actually, a while ago, I bought, different tracks, so I'm just gonna use that. We got 2 straights. And track clip. Oh. So, this track clip is basically intertwined with the track, unless I can get it out. I think I have to do like a bit of connecting these wires and see if I can not. Okay. And of course the controller. Got that off, slow and fast. Basic controller. Where's... This is supposed to come with like a little wire and a little packaging with the listing. I can't seem to find that. They better come with that or else I'm gonna be sad. Yeah, look at that. That's basically unused. It's pretty nice caboose. I don't like the axles just being like that, but basic. This is just another part. It's a bit rusty, but otherwise pretty good. And we have basically the same thing except orange. Orange, yeah. Okay. And we got the tender, of course. Very basic Southern Pacific lines. And finally, we got... Oh. Not really that heavy. I thought it'd be like way heavier. Look at that. Barely used, like. Also, I just realized there's supposed to be a banging thing in here. I think it got removed. Needs to be some like missing parts. Ah, here's the wire. Okay, I'm gonna get this all set up so I can run it. That track off the side, I got the better track. Okay, time for the entire track with no engine, see what happens. It's on a fire. Current's distiller, the engine and transformer both work, so let's see. I'm scared. See what happens. My handy dandy pliers doesn't seem to fly anything. Okay. It's not that consistent of a runner. Sparking a lot. It smells awful. I think it might just need running, and the wheels need cleaning. Oh, that smells awful. Yeah, I'm just nice. Yeah, so. Oh yeah, that's awful. That's awful. Oh my god, that's bad. That's. Ugh. I'm gonna look into the gears. See if that helps. Okay, so this was actually like super dirty, but now it's. I didn't clean that part actually. What we have here, folks, is the clean engine. Now I'm gonna run that clean engine. It's a bit more consistent. Still sparking a bit, but it's better. Look at that guy. Yeah, it's chuffing sound. It's like modern engines you can't get that, but this guy, it's really the go for that. Okay, now we're gonna try coupling everything up as for oil. You know what to do. Got the train. Now, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. That smells so bad. Okay, put power to it. Hope it doesn't blow up. You got this. Too powerful. Struggling a bit, but actually works. This is sparking pretty badly. I know this is gonna take a lot of love, but this is gonna be an amazing engine. Let's derail. It's sparking. Well, thanks for watching and have a good day. Wait, don't have a good day yet. Can't leave. So, I cleaned up the track a bit. The part you saw with the engine actually running in full circles. I used the track that was actually in this set. This set is 027, but if I want to start using like larger engines and just have a larger setup, I'm using my O track now, which is the one part that was just really dirty, needed like a lot of cleaning. But that's clean now, so I can run it, and it's actually not sparking now, so that's good. So you can wait. So yeah, it works. No, I say it's a pretty nice set. I love it. You can see more running footage, so I'm gonna stop recording now. Bye.